In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the wave modifier to create this abstract animation. Let's create a plane. Tab to go to edit mode. Right-click and S to subdivide 100 times like this. Type C to circle select. Let's select the vertices like this. Ctrl G to create a new vertex group. Let's invert the selection, and Ctrl G to create another group. Time to add the wave modifier. Let's use the second vertex group for this modifier. Please feel free to use any wave settings. Let's add the displace modifier, and use the first vertex group like this. Let's apply unique materials for both selections. Ctrl 1 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Please adjust the modifier's settings to create the best looking abstract animation. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.